Hello, today I will show you how to fix your iPhone camera when it has this shaking issue. This is an older iPhone 6S which has this issue with the camera shaking. I'm going to use a magnet, just using for demonstration. I'm using this bag clip that has a magnet. If you place it on top, you can see the shaking stops. So what I'm doing is getting a smaller magnet, and I'm just gonna glue it to the back of right under the camera lens. You just have to glue it onto the back cover, and as long as the magnet is near the camera, the shaking stops. So that's my quick method to fix this issue. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.